our weekly video, but it's not a Friday, but because we have an activity on a Friday which requires me to go to Parañaque. For the meantime, it's a Thursday just to have it weekly. And for this episode, it's make it work. Make it work. After listening to our mentor earlier, that it has been his challenge to read books. If he gets to his target right now is to finish 5 books per week. And I see that as a standard, maybe not to follow, but a standard to size myself up. Because it's hard to follow that, but size. And I was encouraged because I was affirmed that, hey, I'm taking courses. I'm taking 3 courses per week. And it helps me to become creative, to expand my knowledge and skills, to be effective and creative also. That's why for this episode, it's make it work. Make it work. The first point of the make it work is our focus word, our outline is the word work. 4 points. W, work on it, no shortcuts. Work on it, no shortcuts. The biggest temptation is to take shortcuts. You know why? Do you feel lazy at times to work on something and you want shortcuts? Oftentimes we get to see successful people like Michael Jordan. We see the end results of their success. And oftentimes we conclude it based on the highlight reels. The thing is, the highlight reels are only a portion, maybe a small portion of what they're doing. We haven't seen them how they practice. We haven't seen them how they failed. We haven't seen them how they prepared themselves in other aspects. So it requires a lot of work. Work on it, no shortcuts. That's why maybe the highlight reels that we can see of other people, maybe that's just a portion or maybe a small portion of the end results. Work on it, no shortcuts. The second point is operate with a team. Operate with a team. Because we need accountability. Just like the Marvel Cinematic Universe, the idea of Avengers, it's a team. Just like the Marvel Cinematic Universe Phase 4 right now, it is composed of many individuals. They call it, Kevin Feige calls it as the new beginnings. And they're introducing new individuals, new characters to form the team. It only goes to show it requires a lot of collaboration and partnership. Collaboration and partnership is what we need as we operate as a team. And also, operate with the team, and we need accountability. The third point is R, receive feedback. And this is not easy because it requires humility. Just like I'm receiving feedback from my girlfriend, I received feedback from others. It helps. It helps. It requires humility. That's why, do you have those people that you trust who can honestly say things to you that can help you because they care for you? Receive feedback because it requires humility. And for the reason of the last point also, the letter K is keep improving. You will only improve if you know the feedback because it helps. It helps you what to work on. That's why keep improving, because we all want to become the best version of us. We are on this journey that we're working on. Maybe in my case, it's a leadership journey, but it's up to you what that journey is. Make it work. Make it work. The word is work. The outline is work. The 4 points is W. First point is W is work on it, no shortcuts. Every successful person, they work on it without shortcuts because it's not just the highlight reels, it's the behind the scenes that how they made it. Second is operate with a team because we need to be accountable. And at the same time, in this day and age, we all need collaboration and partnership. Letter R is receive feedback because it requires humility. We have to be humble. And letter K is keep on improving. Keep improving, keep on improving because based on that feedback, it helps us to become the best version of ourselves. Hope this video helps. Hope to hear from you. Please feel free to send comments, message me. God bless everyone.